This dance is called Wild West and Wicked. 64 counts, 2 walls, improver level line dance. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, stomp right forward and do a fan step. Stomp, fan, out, in, out. Repeat the same for the left. Stomp, out, in, out. Section 1 with the count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, K steps. Diagonal, touch and clap, back, clap, back, clap. The last one, step diagonal, make a quarter turn to your left with a hitch on the right. Section 2 with a count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, bind to the right and bind to the left with brush. Side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush. Section 3 with a count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, stomp right to right and stomp left to left, holding 1 count each. Stomp, hold, stomp, hold. With your right hip with your right hand and the left hip with the left hand, and do a hip circle. Transfer your weight to your left. So section 4 is 1 hold 2, 3 hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The weight is on the left. Next, section 5 is step back, zigzag, back, clap, back, clap, back, clap, back, clap. Section 5 with the count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 6, scoop with brush. 1, 2, 3, brush. 7 brush. So, with the count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 7, mambo forward with the right with a hold. Rock, recover, back hold, and a back coaster with a touch. Back together, forward touch. Okay, section 7 with the count 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, touch 8. Last section, do a Montreal quarter turn to your right. Point, return, step, pivot half turn to the left, and stomp right left, stomp, stomp. Last section with the count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you end the dance here, facing 6 o'clock. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this dance, there are 2 tags. Let me show you tag 1. Tag 1 at the end of wall 3 and wall 4 is a rocking chair. At the end of wall 3 and wall 4, you do a rocking chair. Rock, recover, back, recover. With the count 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this dance, during wall 6, after 28 count, you do a jazz pop quarter turn to your right. Let me show you wall 6 at the end of the 28 count. 6 will be facing here. We do wall 6 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2, 3 hold 4. This is the end of 28 count during waltz 6. And you do a jazz box, quarter turn to your right. Cross, back, quarter, forward. And you start the dance here. Stomp,